Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to create Walmart account. So in order to create Walmart account, simply go to the Walmart website, walmart.com using a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Then simply tap on the sign in or account option available in the top right corner of the home page and click on it to open the account section. Then simply tap on the create your account. Now all you have to do is enter your email address and Walmart will check if you already have an account on this email or not. So after you enter the email address, if you have an account, then Walmart will show up your account and you will need to enter your password. But if you don't have an account, then Walmart will navigate you to create the account option. So write down your email and continue with the process. Now you will be asked to provide some basic information to create your account. This typically includes your first and last name, email address, and a password. Make sure to choose a strong password that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. And simply continue with the process. So after you have entered your information, Walmart will ask you to verify your phone number, as in it will send you a verification code in your phone number. You'll have to check your SMS and follow the instructions in the SMS to verify your account. And once your account is verified, you will be navigated to your Walmart account. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.